Welcome to Bodine Electric's Motor University. This series is brought to you by Bodine Electric. Design for maintainability is high on any machine designer's priority list, involving three major issues: inspection, service, and unit replacement. Nothing lasts forever, and gear motors are often the hardest working assembly in the machine. Unit replacement is an inevitable part of many maintenance and repair procedures, and a machine design that simplifies this during planned or unplanned downtime minimizes costs. Good equipment design includes gear motor mountings that provide good access to fasteners and allows for quick and easy alignment of a replacement unit during installation. The need to remove the gear motor from the machine for maintenance may be avoided altogether by just allowing enough empty space in the right place. The brushes in a brushed DC gear motor are the most obvious parts that need to be checked and replaced at regular intervals. Brushed DC gear motors that are designed for long life are also designed with replaceable brushes, usually under threaded caps. The machine designer should allow access to those removable caps so the end user can easily replace brushes in the field. Wherever possible, access to opposite sides of the gear motor should be provided for a technician's hands, as well as a line of sight to what they're doing. Couplings should be designed to slide well out of the way during replacement operations, and mounting fasteners should be accessible enough to allow the use of a torque wrench. Remember, adherence to strict preventive maintenance procedures is often proportional to the ease with which maintenance personnel can access the unit. Burying a gear motor underneath layers of machine systems may mean rushed maintenance, skipped maintenance, or deferred maintenance when production requirements simply don't allow adequate downtime to perform the work. Good machine design practice, combined with careful selection of the right gear motor for the application, guarantees good results. Good gear motor vendors like Bodine Electric have extensive product application knowledge, often in machine designs like yours. Take advantage of it and tell them as much about your application as you can. Production personnel, maintenance crews, and your accountant will thank you. This series was brought to you by Bodine Electric. For more information, visit bodine-electric.com.